Let's solve this integral.
The indefinite integral of x over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx can be solved using u-substitution. When first looking at this, it can be easy to assume that we would use trigonometric substitution and substitute x for sign because we have 1 minus x squared in the denominator. However, because we have an extra x in the numerator, we can get away with solving using u-substitution. We'll make our u the term that has x with the highest power, so our u will be 1 minus x squared, and du is the derivative of u, which is negative 2x dx. Now, because our du has a constant attached to it, negative 2, that we don't see in our original integral, we're going to multiply by the equivalent of 1 so we're able to completely recognize our u and our du in their entirety before we can actually substitute our u values. So we'll multiply by negative 1/2 on the outside of the integral and negative 2 on the inside of the integral, and then go ahead and substitute our integral in terms of x into our integral in terms of u. This will leave us with negative 1/2 times the integral of 1 over the square root of u du, which is equivalent to negative 1/2 times the integral of u to the negative 1/2 power du. To integrate, we add 1 to our power and then multiply by the reciprocal. This will leave us with negative 1/2 times 2 times u to the 1/2 power plus c. Since we started in terms of x, we'll end in terms of x. We already defined u as 1 minus x squared, so we can go ahead and rewrite this integral as negative square root of 1 minus x squared plus c.